So we're going to spend one more day on lesson 9.4, finding surface area of prisms. Just a quick reminder to always use that formula correctly. It's perimeter, which is distance around the base, not the area of the base, as some of you guys were doing yesterday, times the height of the shape, times 2 times the area of the base. All right, so make sure you're doing it in the right way. So again, we're looking at a couple different things here. When we're looking at this ramp, you might want to, instead of using the formula, since we just have the faces that are right there and those two are the same, you might want to just do the faces that are shown there. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, they're on the opposite side, so you could just times them by 2. If you want to use the formulas for each of those, you can, but it's just a lot of extra work. For this one down here, when we're making the stand, this was like that last problem on today's homework, that you don't want to find the double up overlap area there. So you could, after you find the formula, you have to subtract that out. So kind of simple there, since we have that one for that dimension. But don't forget that it's going to be there twice. It's on the bottom of this prism, and then it's leaving a space on the middle of the longer rectangular prism. So please be careful with that. And lastly, very important for you guys to show your work. All right, so when you're doing the formula, all right, there's 2 parts to that formula. So you're going to do the first part, and then you're going to add it to the second part, and then that will be your answer. Some of you guys are just putting the answer. All right, I do know that it's very easy for you guys to Google this lesson and to find all of the answers. All right, so those of you guys that are giving the answers only, I have a feeling that's what's going on. And keep in mind that you're, first of all, being dishonest, but most importantly, you're cheating yourself on not knowing how to do this. So once you guys get older, especially in high school, when you have to know how to do this without the help of a search engine, you're going to have to know how to use a formula and apply it to a different problem. So those of you guys that are just looking up answers, it's not helping you, and just putting your answers is just going to lose you guys points on the assignment and in the long run. All right, so any questions, let me know. But take your time, show all your work, and it's very possible for you guys to show all your work and still get a very good grade, just because I'm able to pinpoint when you make a mistake, and just take off a point instead of a lot of points for that. So any questions, let me know. Otherwise, make sure you're using the formulas the right way.